All right, I just got back from the store, so I picked up a few goodies. I did go to Tim Hortons, but they didn't have any of their pumpkin spice stuff yet, so I was a little disappointed. Hopefully they come out with it soon. And then I went into H&M, just had a little stroll in there. They had a lot of their like fall stuff out, so I might go back another time and get some clothes. But the H&M home had a few cute fall things, but nothing that I was really interested in, so I just strolled through there. And then I went to Winners. It's so easy to get stuck in Winners for hours just like strolling. So much stuff in there, but I picked up a few things. I controlled myself and didn't get too much stuff, but just a few cute little fall things. So the first thing I got was these cute little kitchen towels. They're just like white with the gold pattern on them. I thought they were super cute because I'm more into like subtle fall and like Halloween, that sort of thing. And I feel like these are super classy and they'll match with the vibe in my apartment. So it comes with 2 hand towels and it was pretty affordable. It was like $10 for 2 kitchen towels. And yeah, I just feel like they look super classy with the gold pumpkin pattern on there. So I thought they were super cute. And then I got this cute little pumpkin. It's actually a candle. The scent is vanilla pumpkin. I know I didn't need any more candles, but it smells pretty nice, but I didn't get it for the candle itself. I just liked the design. I think I'm just gonna put it in the center of like our kitchen counter just for a little decoration. We might light it sometimes if we're having like dinner or something, but yeah, I just thought the design was super cute. It has a little gold thing at the top and just a subtle and classy fall decoration. And then the last thing from Winners, I'm so excited that I found these. I've been wanting to get some cute like fall or Halloween wine glasses. And I did see, I think they came out last year, but they're the stemmed wine glasses and they have like the skeleton holding like the glass. I thought they were super cool and I was going to get them until I found these. I think they might have been the last ones there because they were just kind of like hidden in the back and I happened to see them. So they're stemless wine glasses and I just thought they were super cute. They have like a pumpkin design on them and I thought they were really cute. So I picked them up to make some fun little cocktails in them or for just having wine. So yeah, thought they were a good find and they were only $10 as well. And then the candle was also, this one was $16. And then I also went to the grocery store, nothing really exciting there. Just got some stuff for dinner. So I got some green beans, some carrots to roast with, I already have some potatoes, so I'm gonna roast some veggies. And then I get these veggie sausages, and it's like Gusta, and I get them in their smoked flavor. So these are really yummy. I've had these before and I really like the texture of these. They taste so good grilled on the barbecue and then I just add some gravy with them. So yeah, these are really good. And then I just picked up my ingredients for my baking. So I had to get some pumpkin puree, some whole wheat flour, stuff like that. So nothing really exciting there, but I'm all done with my errands out. So I think I might have some lunch now, something quick and easy, and then I'll probably start my fall baking. I also wanted to mention these pants that I just got from Shein. I've been looking for like a good pair of flared pants. Obviously I know Lululemon has good ones, but they're a bit pricier, so I was looking for something a little more affordable. And I found these on Shein and I really like them. I feel like they're really flattering and they like don't hug in the wrong places. And they're from that brand on Shein called Glow Mode. I also have a one-piece, forget what it's called, jumpsuit thing from that brand as well, and I really liked that. So I wanted to try their flared pants, and they're super comfy. I got the ones with the V. They do have ones with straight across as well, but I wanted the V. And yeah, the material is super nice. It's like very buttery and soft and comfortable. And I just feel like they're super flattering. So if you're looking for a more affordable pair of flared if you're looking for a more affordable pair of flared pants, Shein is the way to go. I'll put the link in my description box below. just finished up baking some pumpkin scones. They look pretty nice. It's like a healthy recipe, so I'm curious how they taste. The glaze on top is with a Greek yogurt and maple syrup, which I kind of found interesting because it still tastes like yogurt, so I don't know how that would taste with the scone. But I'll give it a try and see how they taste. But yeah, I feel like they turned out pretty nice, so I'm excited to taste test them. But now I'm gonna go ahead and have a shower and wash my hair. I had coconut oil sitting in my hair for the last like hour, so gotta go wash my hair so that dries before I go to bed. It's like almost 5 p.m. so gotta get that done before it's too late. And after that, I'll probably just do a little bit of studying for school and editing some videos, and then by then my fiance will probably be home from work and we'll have dinner and just have a chill evening.
Glaze on top.
Yeah. All right. Let's do it.
Cheers. Got a little zesty. Just whole wheat flour.
What do you think?
I like that they're not super
The
sweet.
zest is the Greek yogurt, actually, but it adds like a nice lemon zest.
Yeah,
I
it's
actually
like a
like
tangy.
that.
Yeah. Wow. It's got like a tang. It's almost like, yeah, like a lemon zest.
That's pretty good.
It's nice and buttered. What would you rate them out of 10?
Solid 10.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't feel bad about eating these at all.
I like the texture of them too.
No. They're not as dry as like a regular scone, so they're like, they don't stay in your throat until you drink something.
I like that.
Okay, here is dinner. A nice veggie sheet pan. Also barbecuing a sausage at the moment, and I think Dustin's gonna have some chicken with his. And then I'm making some gravy. We'll have some bread on the side, and there's dinner. Okay guys, we've finished dinner. I'm all showered up and in my PJs and ready to get cozy for the night. I'm probably just gonna watch some Netflix. I've been watching a show called Sweet Magnolias. It's just a random Netflix show, but I really like some of the Netflix shows that are on there. They're just like, there's a lot about like friendship, and they're just like super like cozy and like romantic sort of vibes. So yeah, they just make me feel super relaxed and cozy. So yeah, right now I'm watching Sweet Magnolias. It's super cute, so you should give it a go if you're into those sorts of shows. But I hope you guys enjoyed my first fall vlog. I loved filming it. It got me even more excited about the fall. Just like, yeah, I'm just like super in the fall mood now. So I'll definitely be filming a lot more fall vlogs, especially since it is my first fall in Vancouver. So I'll be like going to pumpkin patches and just doing all the fun things that they do here. So yeah, there'll be plenty more fall videos to come. So I hope you guys enjoy them. But for now, I'm gonna leave it here. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.